Total Health, Doordarshan's program on health issues, achieves a significant milestone on completing broadcast of 500 episodes. The health-based program, which was started in 2004, provides an interactive platform for viewers to discuss their health-related problems with panel of distinguished doctors. The simplicity of its interactive approach and effectiveness is of finding solutions and has made it quite popular among the masses. Addressing the function, Prasar Bharati CEO Jawahar Sarkar suggested using social media to further increase the popularity and reach of the program.
Doordarshan News has its own new media addresses. You have Twitter handle, you have all sorts of addresses through which you can reach Doordarshan News. Let there be a separate vertical called DD News Health, which you can reach in a moment's time.
Total Health is the first show of its kind that has been able to effectively cater to all sections of the society. On the occasion, several distinguished doctors who are an integral part of this popular weekly program were also present. They hailed the efforts of a Total Health team.
I mentioned that this was one of the important aspects. Total Health का जो है, एक तो ये साधारण भाषा में होता है, ना हिंदी में ना अंग्रेजी में, जो सबकी समझ में आती है. इंटरएक्टिविटी एक बहुत बड़ा इसका एक मैं समझता हूँ बहुत ही मजबूत स्तंभ है.
Director General of DD News, SM Khan, underlined that interactivity through live phone-ins was the primary reason for its popularity, which allows people to get a remedy for their problems from the comfort of their homes.
This program, in fact, is such a popular program that medical fraternity, patients, common people, students of medical colleges, and anybody who is in one way or the other associated with the field of medical sciences, they wait for this program to know the views of the experts on various subjects.
The primary focus of Doordarshan is broadcast of programs for betterment and welfare of the society. This is very much seen in Total Health program, which proves that popularity automatically soars when an emotional connect is achieved with the viewers. Bureau Report, DD News.